Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. We're going to learn about general ledger setup today. So we go to typing option and click, type in there and click down. So it will show us general ledger account setup. So this is a major part of the obviously the setups, because that's the core of any application, or you can say the core of Business Central, because it sets up all the basic information where it goes, all the posting goes to the general ledger accounts, and then it goes to the chart of accounts. So if you see, you got different options here. So general is for general options, and then dimensions, and you got posting options, and you got reporting and application and reverse charge. Let's just learn some basic information. So allow posting from is a kind of thing. They allow posting to allow posting to and from both. Its setting works in conjunction with the defined physical periods or accounting periods, you can say, in the system. I mean, ensuring that the physical periods are appropriately configured to align with your business reporting requirements. The next two options shows allow default posting from and to. So basically this is deferred transactions involve the recognition of revenue or expenses over multiple periods. I mean, the allowed deferred posting from to setting helps control when these default transactions can be posted. So next one is VAT date usage. In Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, they allow VAT date usage pooled in the general ledger setup. Obviously, in this setup is related to how the system handles the posting of value-added tax, which is VAT transactions. This setting affects how the VAT date is determined and used in various transactions. So the next one is default VAT date. So default VAT date is specified the date used to include in entries on VAT reports in a VAT period. This is either the date that that the document was created or posted, depending on this setting. Next one is obviously the local address format, what address format you want to choose from. So you got different addresses. Obviously, it's just for the local setup, because different countries got different addresses. This side is all about rounding and precisions and amounts and decimals. This is one example for in rounding precision LCY. So it specifies the size of the interval to be used when rounding invoices amounts in LCY. Example, I mean, if you have 1.00 round to whole number, and obviously if you've got no rounding, then it will come as a number one. It will come up. So normally on the currency pages you specify how to round invoices in foreign currencies. That's why this section is for there. The code, obviously, which code you want to use of currency code, and then you go with symbols, and obviously like we got GBP and the pound sterling, and obviously, so the VAT rounding type, obviously, or tolerance, you can say, it's a similar kind of thing. As it specifies how the program will round VAT when calculating for the local currencies. So you can click there, you can say nearest or up or down, and then there you mention obviously the VAT tolerance, what tolerance do you want to use for that. Similarly, the second section we've got is like about the dimension. As we remember from previous videos, we've mentioned there are two major global dimensions here, and then we got about 6 of the shortcut dimensions. So, or you can be 6 to 8, so 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8. Yeah. Background posting is how if the system you want the posting to be done at the background. So you can do with the post with the job queue. So we learned about the job queue before. Post and print through the job queue as well. You can do that. Job queue category type. We learned about the job categories, job queue categories previously as well. You want to notify on success. You can do that, or report output type, whichever type of report you want to have, print or PDF as well. And then this section goes towards the reporting side. which obviously if you use reporting for different purposes or analysis or anything, you have to mention all this information before obviously picking up the option here. I will not go too deep, obviously it's the start of the configurations for finance side. So basically we just need to know that the journal ledger setup in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is a configuration area where you would define various settings and parameters related to management of your financial accounts and journal ledgers. I mean, this setup is crucial for tailoring the system to your organization, specific accounting and reporting requirements. And in further videos, next videos, we will learn more about this section of MBA Tender exam, and hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.